channel. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please press the red bell button and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get further notification. Every Sunday I post video. I mostly do makeup and creative videos. So today you can see I have done this makeup look. For the first time I am doing a full face makeup on my channel. So today's topic is how you can get ready with the Bengali LAL PAR SADA SARI. Actually this kind of sari is very popular in Bengali. Especially we like to wear this kind of sari in Puja. So Durga Puja is coming, so I thought of making this video. Please watch full video because I have used so many weird techniques to get this look. I hope it will help you too. So let's get started.
I have chosen a basic LAL PAR SADA SARI. You can see this sari has only borders and body is full empty. With it, I will wear a plain red blouse. If you want, you can choose a heavy worked blouse. Today, I will show two types of jewelry. First one is a cotton and thread necklace. Second, I will wear a huge silver oxidized neck piece. I simply wrap the sari. I have done with my hair. I did a front puff and a simple bun, added artificial flowers. I have nothing on my face now, dabbing a clean tissue paper to remove excess oil. Nykaa brow kit. I am doing my eyebrow. There has a step-by-step eyebrow making video in my channel. I will link it in my description box. Using LAL Pro Concealer on eyelid. Applying Nykaa primer. Primer needs few minutes to set. Let's do eye makeup first. Using sticky tape to get sharp edges. From a Revolution palette, using light brown shade to define crease area. Using another Revolution Pro palette and using Ricochet to make this area more prominent. Now using Maybelline gel liner on all over eyelid. It is our base for black eyeshadow. Taking black eyeshadow and applying it on gel liner. Again taking Ricochet and mixing two colors very well. Applying my favorite Lotus liquid liner. You can see it almost my every makeup videos. Now it's time to fade all harsh lines using a lighter shade to mix everything all together. Using a makeup remover tissue to clean fallouts. Cancelling out all dark spots on my face with same concealer. Applying L'Oreal liquid highlighter under my foundation, it gives a very natural skin-like glow. Now comes to apply foundation. Fit Me 220. Always apply a little bit first, then gradually grow if you need. With a damp sponge, mix everything very well. Using Maybelline compact powder to set. If you don't have setting spray, then this technique helps you to set foundation all day long. Now it's time to contour. I will not use any brush to apply contouring powder. Rather, I am applying it with same damp sponge. This technique melts everything together and doesn't leave any harsh line, which I like the most. Using highlighting powder to highlight. Today, I will not apply any blush and I will keep my face makeup very simple. Using a talcum powder under my eye to remove fallouts easily. Using Nykaa kajal. Taking ricochet to blend the end. I have a detailed video on how to apply kajal. I will link it in my description box. Using mascara and preparing my lashes for falsies. Today I used packed lashes and now sharpening inner corner. Using Nykaa eye palette to highlight brow bone and inner corner. Applying Nykaa lipstick. If you want, you can apply any nude shade. Again, I am applying highlighter with Beauty Blender. It mixes everything together and gives a subtle glow. Bindi, in Bengali we call it tip, most important part of a Bengali look. Done with makeup, let's try first cotton neckpiece. These all are handmade jewelleries of mine. If you want to know how I made it, then please comment down below. With this, I will not add any earrings. Now let's try second look. Huge oxidized necklace with huge oxidized earrings. Adding a nose piece also to make this look more aesthetic. And I am done.
If you like this video, then please like, share and comment, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. So see you in my next video.